Now I am going to discuss a problem where we will prove that why the two of the vectors perpendicular using the condition of the dot product. The problem is that if A is equals to a vector 5i minus j minus 3k, one of the vector, and vector B is I plus 3j minus 5k. There are two vectors, one is the A, another is given by B. Then prove that so that the vector A plus B and resulting vector A minus B are the perpendicular. Meaning by first we need to calculate A plus B. We have the vector A 5i minus j minus 3k. We have the value of vector B I plus 3j minus 5k. So A plus B, vector A plus B is the addition of these two, which gives you 6i plus 2j minus 8k. Now for the vector A minus B, what we get? A minus B, 4i minus 4j plus 2k. We want to show that these results, not A and B, the results of the vectors, vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B are perpendicular to each other. The value of dot product A dot B, if it comes 0, if there are two vectors and we want to show that these are perpendicular, it means that their dot should be 0, or vice versa. If the dot of two vectors is 0, then these two vectors are said to be perpendicular. We want to show that vector A plus vector B resulting of A minus B are perpendicular to each other. To show these are perpendicular, we need to calculate their dot product. Dot of A plus B, dot of A minus B. Resulting of A plus B is 6i plus 2j minus 8k, and resulting of A minus B is 4i minus 4j plus 2k. Their dot gives you 6 4 ja 24, 2 4 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 24 minus 8 minus 16. Because whenever we are calculating the dot, we just go to simply calculating the product of the equal, that is the same unit vectors, I with I, 6 4 ja 24, j with j, minus 8, k with k, minus 16, 24 minus 24 is 0. What we are noticing in this problem, that the dot product of the resulting vectors, vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B is coming 0. That's why what we can conclude, that the resulting vectors, vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B are perpendicular to each other because their dot product is 0 and vector x dot vector y is magnitude of x, magnitude of y into cos of theta. Here resulting is coming 0, meaning by these two are perpendicular to each other. So as and when you want to show that two vectors are perpendicular, you just need to show their dot product is 0.